worm is.
Hold it.
No.
Hold your hand flat. I'll put it in it.
Too big. So we're planting potatoes.
We're picking potatoes.
We're picking potatoes out. We're getting some small potatoes and big potatoes and teeny weeny potatoes. And we cook them right. The small potatoes go here. Big potatoes go here.
We can't hear you unless you're talking right to the camera,
okay? And our dad is getting some potatoes for us. And the pigs got a lot of water. And we're getting some potatoes. William is at karate. He's learning how to do ninja moves. This is the ninja.
Very careful. Sweet, we'll find you some.
I want a big one this time.
Look what I found, dude.
What? Potatoes. A big one. Is anybody speaking? William and me and James and me and James and me and James and me and James and William and William and William and William. Working on our potatoes and got some. I just got home from karate and I've been learning the kick, the block, the punch.
Daddy's gonna go get the wheelbarrow. Hey, James, show the camera. Show the camera. Show the camera.
worm. Big, huge worm. Huge worm. Good.
In total, we ended up with 270 pounds of potatoes and about 2 milk crates full of onions. And we put those to dry in the garage and then put them into seed bags to store for the winter. One mistake we made was I left them in the garage drying out for a bit too long, and it wasn't completely dark, so they got a little green on the top, which isn't a huge deal. That can be cut off, but for next time I'll make sure that they're in a completely dark space, and I probably don't have to dry them out for as long as I did. I could probably just leave them overnight and they'd be fine. But that was our garden for the year, mainly some potatoes, a few onions, and we are looking forward to next year. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I wish you a happy Canadian Thanksgiving.